Welcome to the Intro to Python video series. Right here we have a Hello World program, and we are on Replit. And as you can see here, we have a few lines of code that I will explain. So first of all, Python, like any other programming language, is case sensitive and typo sensitive. So if you misspell anything, or put an extra space, or make a typo, your program has the potential to not run at all. And that is called a syntax error, as opposed to a logical error, which your program would run but doesn't do what you intend. So what we have here is what's called as a predefined function called print. And a function is code or blocks of code. A block means like a group of code. So the interpreter has these like functions built into itself that you can combine and use sequencing to essentially tell the computer what you should do. And print is like one of the most basic predefined functions that you can ever learn in any programming language, and it just simply just outputs hello world into the console. And hello world is what is known as like a string. When you enclose something with quotation marks, it's a combination of letters and characters that form a message. And we also have another print statement that prints a number. And what about these lines at 2 and 3? Those are what is known as comments, and comments are not read as or not interpreted. They're just ignored, and they're essentially just ways for you to put messages inside your code, and they are signified with pound symbols. So if you put a comment and like you have like a perfectly functioning line of code, it won't run. And like for example, in line 3, something like this. If you can uncomment that, then you can get 2 ones, and that's how comments work. I'll see you in the next video.